Hello everyone, you are welcome to Math Fusions, and in this lesson for today we are continuing with Waec 2024 mathematics questions, and here we are in number 7. Number 7 says find the time for which $1250 will amount to $2031.25 at 12.5% per annum simple interest. Now what we are going to do first is by writing out the parameters given to us. So let's start with that first, okay? Now in the question we are told here that and we have to find the time. That means we are looking for the time. So write it out, t equals to question mark, because that is what we are looking at for. Then it says find the time for which $1250 will amount to this. So this, for which this amount of dollars, this value that is given to us, we call it the principal. So we can say P equals to $1250. Let's continue. And then it amounts to $2031.25. So here we can take the amount given to us as 2, that is, permit me, dollar, it's a mess. Let's come down here to write it. So we take the dollar 2031.25. all right, that is according to what is given to us, 2031.25. Then the rate is 12.5 percent. So write it out. The rate is what? 12.5%. That's the rate given to us. So you will see that in all of this, the simple interest, which is I, is also not given. Now, there's no way you can be looking for two things at the same time. You must look for just one values. But the reason why it appears this way is because for you to get the time that we are looking for, you need to get the value for what? For the simple interest. And how do we get the value for the simple interest? We can get it by using this formula. A, which is amount, equals to principal plus the simple interest. Now the A in this case is 2031.25, and that equals to P. What is our P? That is what we have here, 1250, then plus the I that we are looking for, which means that for us to get the I, which is the interest, we are going to bring this to subtract it from 2031.25, then minus 1250. So if we do this subtraction, we are going to have the interest to be, if we do the subtraction, we have 0.25, then 1 and the 0 is 1, 3, which is 13, and that will give us 8. So this is 9. 9 from that is what? 7, then 1. So we have 781.25 as the dollars. Okay. Now we know the interest. We can apply the simple interest formula, which states that I equals to P RT over 100. So we are going to use this formula to get the value for what? For T. So now what is our I? We just calculated it as 781.25. Then this 100 is coming there to multiply it. So we say times 100, then equals to P. What is our P? Our P here is 1250, then multiply by the R, which is 12.5, then 12.5, then multiply by T. So what we have to do now is to multiply this by this, which will give us 781. Then move this 1, 2. If you multiply by 100, you have 25, then equals to. Now let's see what we're going to do here. We will need our calculator in this case. So here's our calculator. We turn it on, and then we say 1250. 1250. All right, that is 1250 multiplied by 12.5. We have 12.5. If we do this, we are going to have 15625. So write it out. 15625t, because this t will also multiply it and it will bring us to this value here. So at this point we need to divide both sides by 15625. Divide both sides by 15625. In doing this, we shall be having our value for t to be, now 78125, you write it out. 78125, then 78125 divided by 15625. 15625, that is 15625. You do this division, you are going to have what? 5. That will give us that the time is 5, which is actually what? 5 years. And there you have it. This is now the answer to this question 7. Now let's quickly check out question 7, the options given to us. Do we have 5 years? Of course we have 5 years, and here it is. All right, option D. So let's take question 8 quickly. Let's do question 8 somewhere here, if you permit me. A little bit messy, but let's do it there. Now question 8 says log 2x minus 1 base 3 equals to 5. We're asked to find the value of x. So write it out here. Log, open bracket, 2x minus 1 base 3 equals to 5. See, that's the question. Log 2x minus 1 base 3 equals to 5. So for us to find the value of x, you need to know that this base you have here, which is 3, must take up this power. So we can have 2x minus 1 equals to 3 power 5. And 3 power 5, if you multiply 3 power 5, is going to give us, okay, let's say 3 times 3 is 9, then times 3 is 27 times 3, that is what? 81 times 3, that is what? 243. So if you count the number of 3's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 power 5 will give us 3, 243. So write it out, 243. So which means that 2x minus 1 is equals to 243. So this 243, we are going to move our minus 1 to this side to become plus 1. So 2x will become 243 plus 1, and that will give us 244 to equals to 2x. Now the question says we should look for the value of x. So to do so, since x is 2 is multiplying x, to remove this 2 we need to divide both sides by 2. And if we do the division, by dividing by 2, 2 we divide 2, 1, divide 4, 2 we divide 4, again 2. So this is going to be the value for x, 1, 2, 2. Let's quickly check the answer to see if it is there. Of course, option D is 1, 2, 2. This brings us to the end of this lesson for today. We are going to continue in our next class with question 9 and 10, and I please want to still encourage you to subscribe if you have not done so. Please subscribe to this channel. Help me to build this channel. I have been working on this project for a long time and I can't give up now. I need your support, so please subscribe to this channel to encourage me to keep going on, and also leave a comment in the comment box. Share your views, what you think about our videos. You can also like our videos and also share this content with your friends and family. See you in my next lesson.